Can I have a? Do you have 4 tens?
No, just once.
Am I gonna get what I want back?
Ano ba tong lamok na to?
Oh, really on. What do you want?
Doesn't matter. Maybe ano,
Lauren, gonna get anything?
cookies and cream, yeah.
I don't have any coins for her. Cookies and cream? This one?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Negative 24. It's okay. Did you get your change back? Okay. I gave you a lot.
And it came back as this. That's a 50.
See, I found the 5. My goodness. How come we didn't see that one?
It's dark.
My gulay. It's just appeared. I'll get some try that luxury almond.
No, that's
Almonds.
nasty.
Tanga. Ito. Gato. Aso. Gato. Pusa.
Try to just put the 5 in.
Yeah. Yeah, pusa. The gato. $2. How many have we have? We have one more for daddy. We need one more, I mean. Do you have caramel?
Yeah, it's my caramel. We didn't give our change back. Oh, because we can still get more.
Blueberry cheesecake. This one. Cheesecake for daddy.
That's nasty.
Tanga, daya mo siya.
Stop. Can you take my coins? Look, we got ones back. We get
You can get one extra more for you.
Should I just put them in the same?
Okay. At bakit hindi mo sinusunod yung gusto ko? Sabi ko ito.
That's nasty. Cheesecake is nasty. Should we just...
She loves cheesecake. Your dad is like cheese.
What?
Ka nakikinig sa akin. Let's go. Put it here. Let's go. One more for you? Okay.
Where's my... Give me another...
Ayan na naman siya. I already put it back.
I did not.
Oh, ikaw na magdig.
Is this a 50? I can use 50, right?
Yeah. How much is yours gonna be? Okay, you have 10 cents back.